Is this clear? Yes. Very good morning, my dear students.
Ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you all good, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning. So I hope all are fine. All are doing good, right? Yes. Today we will continue our maths class. So in our last class we have solved fraction lesson exercise 2.1. Today we are going to continue that exercise 2.1. Okay. In this lesson exercise 2.1, fifth question we have to solve. Correct. First we will write the question and then we will go for answer. So fifth question, can you see the page? Yes. So the question is find the perimeter of first sub question triangle ABE. This we already solved, right? In previous class we have solved. And second sub question is the rectangle BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. Whose perimeter is greater. So we have to find the perimeter for rectangle BCDE. Already we found the perimeter of ABE. We have to compare those two and we have to write which perimeter is greater, whose perimeter is greater. Okay. So I'll draw the picture. Rectangle, correct? Rectangle BCDE. This side they have given 7/6 centimeter. 7/6 centimeter, and this side they have given 3/4 centimeter. 3/4 centimeter. Okay. Wait, I will show you the pic. Last sum we have solved. See here, this is the first question we have solved. Correct? This is triangle and this is rectangle. We solved for triangle. So we written perimeter formula of triangle, sum of all the sides. Triangle equals AB plus BE plus AE, and we have solved. Okay. So today in this class we have to find the perimeter for a rectangle. So this is the rectangle, and the rectangle two sides they have given the values. Here 7/6 and here 3/4 centimeter. So we know the formula, right? What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, tell me the answer. Already we have solved yesterday. What is the perimeter of rectangle formula?
2 into length plus breadth.
Yes, very good, Shri Pavan. 2 into length plus breadth. So that is the formula. So we'll write here. Answer, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Which rectangle this is? BCDE. Okay, formula I'll write here 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula. Okay. This is the formula. So 2 as it is I will write. What is the length? What is the length? This is 2, 3/4. Plus breadth 7/6 centimeter. Understand? I just written the values. I have just written the values 2 into length plus breadth, 2 3/4 plus 7/6. I have substituted the values. Correct, Rishit? Shreyas? So now we have to simplify. we know that it's a mixed fraction. We have to convert this to improper fraction. Correct? It's a mixed fraction. We have to convert this for improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 9, 10, 11. Correct? 11 upon 4. So 2 as it is I will write 11 upon 4 plus this is as it is I'll write 7 upon 6. Correct pa? As it is I'll write 7 upon 6. So now 2 as it is. We know that if we want to find the sum of this, we have to find LCM because denominators are different. We need same denominators. Correct? We need same denominators. So I'll take LCM 4 and 6. From 2 table, 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 3 as it is. From 3 3 1s are 3 1s are. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 equals 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Correct? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Up to this understand? Show me the thumb. Yes, very good. Shreyas, understand pa? Yes. So up to this understand everyone? Sohan, Megha. Yes, very good Fatima. Kushal. Gnanesh, understand? Tanu. Yes ma, Sanidhya. Okay pa. Yes pa. Yes, Chandana, Janardhan. Yes, correct. So up to this you understand now. Chayanka. Up to this understand. Correct ma? Yes, now always we have done right like the same 11 upon 4. Okay, into in 4 table when we will get 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Correct? Correct, Preetham? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. And the same 3 I'll copy for same 3 will copy for numerator. And then plus this 7 upon 6. In 6 table, when I'll get 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. And the same 2 I'll copy for numerator. Is this clear? So now 2 as it is, 11 threes are 11 threes are. Yes, 33. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33. 4 threes are 12 plus 7 twos are 14, 6 twos are 12. Understand, Gnanesh? Yes, Chayanka, Preetham, Tanay. Now 2 into 33 plus 14 we have to add. See here only numerators we have to add, denominators we have to keep as it is. So 33 plus 14, 33 plus 10, 43, 43 plus 4, 47, correct? 47 upon 12. 47 upon 12. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now 47 upon 6. 47 upon 6. So now this is improper fraction. So I'll convert this for mixed fraction. 47 upon 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42. How much remained? 5. So it's in the QRD form. It's in the QRD form. Quotient, remainder, divisor 6 centimeter. 7, 5 upon 6 centimeter. Okay. So understand. Kushal, understand? Shrivarsha, Fatima, Likit, Ganavi, Srivarsha, Samvardhan, understand pa? Show me the thumb. Yes, very good, Dan. Yes, Lakshmi. Good. Yes, okay, Sanket. Yes, Samvardhan. So, up to this you understand. Now, we have one more question here. See here. They said whose perimeter is greater? Whose perimeter is greater? So, in yesterday class, we have solved for triangle, right? We have solved for triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is 8, 17 by 20. And the perimeter of a rectangle is this much. See here, perimeter of a triangle and this is perimeter of a rectangle. In these two, which is greater? Which is greater? 8, 17 upon 20 and 7, 5 upon 6. In these two, which is greater? Can you tell me which is greater?
Triangle.
Greater?
Ma'am, 8, 17 upon 20.
Yeah, 8, 17.
Triangle.
Yeah, triangle. 8, 17 upon 20.
By
Correct.
20.
Yeah, triangle is the greater. Very good part. Triangle is the
Ma'am,
greater.
triangle is the greater, ma'am.
Triangle is
greater.
Yeah, very good. Triangle is greater. So we'll write here. Thus, perimeter of triangle ABE is greater. Okay. Understand now? Omshika, understand ma? Yes, very good pa. So can we move for next question? Ganesh? Yes ma, Preetam. So now, 7th question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay, understand the question. I just reading the question. Try to understand. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay. So understand the question. First, I have a, see here. 1 minute. See here. Can you see me? This is the photo frame. Imagine this is the photo frame. What I have now, this is the photo frame. And I have to fit one photo in this. Okay. So this is a A4 size photo, right? A4 size photo frame. And I have a photo like this much big photo I have. I have a photo frame like this. Okay. This is my photo frame I have in my home. And I captured photo like this big photo I have captured. So now I have to adjust this photo in a photo frame. What can I do now? What I have to do? Preetam, what I have to do? Only Preetam have to unmute, not others. Yes, Preetam.
Subtract.
Yes, very good, Preetam. Very good. We have to subtract. I have to cut the photo in the size of frame and I have to adjust in a frame, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here also same they have given. Salil have a photo frame. Smaller photo frame he have and the photo is larger than a photo frame. So what he will do?
Yes, ma'am.
Cut and he will fix into the photo frame. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much you have to cut? That we can get by subtracting the given numbers. Okay. Understand? So now we will subtract and we will find the answer. So can I write next question? So exercise 2.1, next question. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, sixth question. I will write the question also. Salim wants to put a picture in a frame. In a frame. The picture is 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? How much should be? So as Preetham told, we have to find the difference. We have to subtract those two numbers. Okay, we have to subtract. So the width of a picture, first we will write width of a picture. The width of the picture. How much? Width of the picture, what they are given? 3 by 5. 3 by 5. As we all know, this is a mixed fraction. Again, we have to convert this to improper fraction. So I'll multiply these two. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5 centimeter. So keep in mind always when you will get the improper fraction, you have to convert for mixed fraction. And when you get the mixed fraction, you have to convert for improper fraction. So next, the required width of the frame. What is the frame width? So the frame width is 3 upon 10. That means we will multiply these two. We will multiply these two. 7 tens are 70. Plus we will add this. 7 tens are 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10. 73 upon 10. So these two have a different denominators, right? So we have to find the difference. So the width of the picture to be trimmed. To be trimmed off. So which picture we have to trim, that we have to find out now. So 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Again and again I am repeating, we have to subtract or we have to find the sum, means we need same denominators. If denominators are different, we can't add, we can't subtract. So we need same denominator. So I'll take LCM to make same denominators. 5, 10. So from 2 I'll start. 5 as it is. 2 5s are 10. And I'll go for 5 table. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So 2 into 5 into 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 ones are 10. So 10 is our LCM. So 10 is our LCM. Understand, Tanu? Raghavi? Yes, ma. Very good. Can we understand, pa? Gautam? Show me the thumb, Gautam. If you understand, show me the thumb. Otherwise, I'll explain once again. So this is the question, 38 upon 5 and minus 73 upon 10, we have to subtract. We did LCM and we got the same denominator. So 38 upon 5 in 5 table, and I'll get 10. 5 2s are 10. And the same 2 I'll copy for numerator. And minus 73 upon 10 in 10 table, when I'll get 10. 10 ones are 10. Same one I'll copy for numerator. So 38 2s are 38 ones are 38. 38 2s are 76. Correct. So 76 upon 5 2s are 10 minus 73 ones are 73. 10 ones are 10. So we have to subtract these in 76. In 76, if we subtract 73, we'll get 3. 3 upon 10 centimeter. So how much we have to trim? The required width to be trimmed is 3 upon 10. How much we have to trim? We have to trim 3 upon 10 centimeter. We have to trim. So therefore we can write to be trimmed 3 upon 10 centimeter. I'll explain once again, listen. I will explain once again, everyone listen. So here Salil is one boy. He have a photo frame. The width of a photo frame is 7 3 upon 10. Okay, Samvardhan. The width of a frame is 7 3 upon 10. And he captured a photo 7 3 upon 5. 7 3 upon 5. So you have to fix the photo in that frame. The frame is smaller than a photo. The frame is smaller than a photo. So he will cut the edges, right? Our pictures, it will be in the center. In the surrounding, it will be scenery, right? So that scenery he will cut and he will fix in the photo frame. So how much you have to cut? How to find that? We will subtract and we will find how much we have to trim from the photo. Okay, Chayanka? So here, first we have written the width of the picture. What we have captured, the Salil captured photo, right? The width of that photo is 7 3 upon 5. It is in a mixed fraction, so I have converted 38 upon 5. I have converted for improper fraction. How I converted? I have multiplied these two. 7 5s are 35. This plus I did addition. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38. 38 upon 5 centimeter. Okay, Deepak? Deepak, understand? Next, the required width of the frame. What is the frame width? Vanshika. Frame width is 7 3 upon 10. Kushal. This is again mixed fraction. I will convert for improper fraction. 7 10s are 70. 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10. Now I have to find the difference, right? So I have written 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. It's a basic thing. We know that if we want to add or subtract any fraction, we need same denominator. Here we have a different denominators. So I will make the denominator same by taking LCM. So I have taken LCM here. 5 and 10. 2 5s are 10. Always we have to start from smallest number. Directly you shouldn't go for 5 and 10. Okay, directly you can't go. So always we have to start from smallest number. Gnane, sit properly, please. So from 2 5s are 10. 5 as it is. Again I have chosen 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So 2 5s are 10. 10 ones are 10. So our LCM is 10. That means our new denominator is 10. Sanidhya. So in 5 table, when we will get 10, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 2 I have multiplied here and the same 2 I copied for my numerator. Okay. And then in 10 table, when I will get gone away, 10 ones are 10 and the same one I copied for numerator, Yogesh. So now Rishit, 38 twos are 76, correct? Samvardhan. 38 2s are 76. 38 2s are 76. 5 2s are 10. 38 2s are 76. 5 2s are 10. 73 1s are 73. 10 1s are 10. So now we have to subtract. Denominators are same, so easily we can subtract. Denominators as it is, I have kept 10. In 76, if you subtract 73, it's a 3. Correct, Yatish? So 3 upon 10. So how much we have to trim in the photo? We have to trim 3 upon 10 and then it will fix to the photo frame. Understand? If anyone didn't understand, please show me your reverse thumb. Otherwise, text me. If you didn't understand, text me, I'll explain. Yes, very good, Preetham. Many are sent already answers. Very good, Lakshmi. Very good, ma. Many are sent already answers. If you didn't understand, anyone, if you didn't understand, please tell me, I'll explain once again. I think everyone understand, right? Yes, very good, pa. Very good. You are so brilliant. My kids are very brilliant, right? Yes, very good. Very, very good, Sri. Yes. Yes, okay. So can we move for next question? See here, today I'll just give the question. Try to solve yourself in your homework book. And these sums you copy for a classwork. I'll send the pic. Copy in a classwork. And now next sum I'll give you. Write down that sum. This is the homework for you. Today's homework. Okay. So solve that homework in your homework book. Write down the sum now. Write down the sum. 7th question. Exercise 2.1. 7th question. Write down the question. Ritu 8. Ritu 8. 3 upon 5 part of an apple. Of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? This is your sum. You have to solve. Listen, no need of fraction concept. You can think and you can solve. Okay. So Ritu have an apple. She have an apple. In that apple, she did 5 parts. One apple, she did 5 parts. In that 5 parts, Ritu ate 3 parts and remaining part eaten by Somu. So how much he ate? Who ate greater? Who ate larger amount? So easily you can think. So tomorrow I need answer. So try to solve yourself. Think little bit. Give work to your mind. Okay. Are you written question? Everyone.
Then send the photos in WhatsApp group.
Try to write down the question. I will send other sums. This question you have to write now.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I wrote.
Yes,
Okay,
very good.
We have to solve this. Send the pictures.
Yeah, you have to solve this in your homework book.
Yes, mute, ma'am. Yes, Ma'am, I wrote full question. Naresh.
See, my kids are so brilliant. If I
Ma'am, I have.
if I give options, suddenly everybody will unmute, right? So good you are all. Many times we will say, mute your audio, mute your audio. See here, many are muted your audio. Yes, everybody unmute. Everybody unmute. We will talk and nobody can't understand anything. Yes, Gautam, Sonara. So write down the question. Listen. Today what we have solved, those sums I will share in your WhatsApp group. Okay. So complete the classwork and this question you have to solve yourself. This question you have to solve. This is a very easiest sum. Without fraction concept itself, you can think and you can solve. Orally, you can solve this sum. No need of pen and paper also. Let's see. Tomorrow, you have to tell me the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay, pa. So, this is the time to wind up.
Yeah, I send it.
Complete the classwork regularly. If you don't understand, ask me, I will clarify your doubts. Okay? And listen one thing, from Monday onwards, your method of teaching going to be changed. You have to download the Google Classroom app with Zoom.
Classroom app.
Please don't install the Zoom app. We need both the apps. Okay? We need both the apps. We will use both.
Okay, ma'am.
So keep both. Yeah.
I receive. Okay, ma'am.
So be ready for the classes. Okay. So meet you tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Stay safe.
Okay, ma'am.
Miss you all.
Add my mother number to the group, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Send any group, I will add. Bye, pa. Miss you all. Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.